Hello, welcome to MatchMKR, the travel marketplace. This is our tutorial video to enter the platform for the first time and register as a supplier of tourism services. To do this, we have to type down in our browser the address themarketplace.travel. We recommend using the Google Chrome browser. Within the platform, you will find basic information about what the travel marketplace is and what benefits it offers. To register, we can go directly to the More Information and Registration section or scroll the page down until you reach this section. Here, we have to select whether we are buyers or providers of tourism services. We are going to select the Providers option. Inside this section, we have two options. The first one is for those government agencies like tourism boards or CBVs. The second one is for those corporations and private companies that want to use the platform. We're going to register as a private company. You may notice there are different types of memberships. It is made this way so each company, operator, or hotel chain that has the need to create different business profiles can do so. For example, if it is focused on different types of clients or if it's located in different parts of the world, that company can create different profiles with the same membership. In this case, I will select the basic corporate provider membership that will give us access to the platform. The first steps are to create a user and a password. The user is an email where our registration, notifications, and possible meetings within the platform will arrive, so it is important that it is an email that we usually check on. Then we select the box where we accept the terms and conditions of use of the platform and proceed to make the payment of our membership in order to enjoy the benefits of MatchMKR, the travel marketplace. The next step is to create our business profile. To do this, we suggest having the following information with you: company name, trade name, taxpayer registration, address, phone number, name of the company's representative that will be using the platform, charge within the company, time of operation, regions of the world or Mexico you operate, the value of the company in US dollars, brief description of the company, and finally, a selection of the best pictures and/or videos of the services you provide. Suppose we already have all this information with us and we simply type it down into the general information of our business profile. The next thing is to upload the pictures or videos that will be shown in our profile and will be the first thing buyers will see about us. Doing so is as simple as clicking anywhere in this section to display a window where we can select the pictures and videos we've decided to upload. We select, click, and wait for the system to tell us that it was uploaded correctly. Right here, by clicking this tag, we can select which picture we want to use as our profile picture. We recommend the pictures, especially the profile pic, being on horizontal format and in JPEGs. It is also necessary to mark the location of our business establishment on the map. And then we click Next. This is how we reach the Interest section. Here, we are going to select the tourism services that we offer. This will tell the system what type of tourism service provider we are and what type of buyer we would like to have business meetings with. Let's say that I am a 5-star hotel with 250 rooms. But I also have a spa facility that is considered in the Tourism Attraction Center button. I also have specialized services for DMCs such as groups and conventions and wedding planners. Let's consider my hotel has congresses halls too, so I can select all the services I offer. Same thing with the restaurants that are inside the hotel. The idea is to detail all the services that we offer as tourism suppliers in order to let the buyers know a lot more about us. Later, we will indicate the system the different tourism segments we offer our services to, whether they're general or sports tourism. We also specify in what type of place our business is located. These values are what will define our profile within the platform. Finally, we select the international trade fairs that we usually attend to sell our services to tourism buyers. This is for the system to identify matching profiles that also attend to this type of events, since we would suppose that both share a common target market. In this way, our business profile will be ready and we may access the supplier's homepage. Here, we can start discovering new and interesting business opportunities contacting the buyers directly. Welcome to MatchMKR, the travel marketplace.